Yeah, I see some requests for coming in here. Somebody wants California and somebody wants Triangle. All right. So you're local to that one. Local to the studio, not necessarily local to somebody listening on the internet.
Yeah, local to the studio for sure. It took me about 6 minutes to get here and 15 minutes to actually find the studio.
You said you knew where you were.
Did you move from last time?
No, we've been, can't you tell we've been here for decades?
Yes, I know. I mean, once I get inside here, it's totally familiar, but getting, I don't know, Cannonball just didn't ring a bell. I think I used to come from the back that he was listening to, but I came in the front, student center entrance, and it didn't.
Okay. You ever been to McSorley's in New York City?
Our mistakes on easy to blame a broken heart, She didn't know what she'd done to me. I was a young boy, not more than 20, drinking too much, constantly empty, and I really thought she could fill me. It's easy to blame our mistakes on us. Truth is a play, and life goes someday. It's easy to blame our mistakes on others. It's easy to blame our broken hearts on lovers.
Sounds good to me. What's this one called?
Wish I could say better than I do. Wish I could speak nothing but the truth. Wish I could dance. Wish I could fly. It's easy to blame our mistakes on others. It's easy to blame.
Running is what takes 2 days. You kids come to a lot of your shows?
Sometimes I play some lunchtime shows and things like that. Brooklyn, for sure.
Nice. Do they play it all? Do they play?
Oh, yeah. I was thinking and the other one down in the
So always cool to see the kids come up and learn how to play music.
yeah,